$100 Shopee Calculator version 1.13 is live. It has been 1.5 years since I last talked about the overcharged shipping fees. But in my recent interactions with other sellers and my own experience, overcharged shipping fee is still a big issue. This update is mainly about the shipping fee module, some updates on the gross profit and cost calculator modules, and some users' experience improvements. Before I walk you through the updates, let us revise the basics of overcharged shipping fee. By the way, I have been selected to be one of the Shopee Bintang community since April 2023. If you are facing any difficulties selling on Shopee Malaysia, feel free to ask me. I will help you as much as possible. There are two stages of shipping fee for any orders made on Shopee. First and foremost, during the product upload of a seller, the seller must input the specifications of package weight and dimensions of the product. In a typical situation, when a customer is placing an order, the system will use the specifications to calculate an estimated shipping fee and charge the customer during payment. As the package is handled by the logistics company, they will measure and input the weight and dimensions into the system of the logistics company. Shopee will then retrieve the data and calculate the actual shipping fee to charge or deduct from the order income. Overcharged shipping fee might occur in these conditions. First, seller did not input weight and dimensions. The system did not collect enough shipping fee from the customer. Second, seller packed the product bigger or heavier than the specifications input in the system. Third, logistics company makes a typo error during the input of weight and dimensions. Lastly, system glitch either on logistics side or Shopee side. As far as I can tell, Shopee has not implemented to proactively notify sellers about any overcharged shipping fee orders. Sellers have the obligation to check through orders for any overcharged shipping fee, identify the cost of the overcharged amount, and initiate claim procedures with the Shopee customer service if needed. Now, you might be asking, what if you have hundreds of ongoing orders? How would it be possible to check through these orders one by one? Well, you don't have to, which is where my Shopee Calculator comes in. This is the shipping fee module of $100 Shopee Calculator. This is a free Excel template, available from Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Watch the video at the top right corner for download and setup instructions. The template will analyze your shop's data, calculate all the shipping fees, and list out if there's any overcharged shipping fee orders, any undercharged shipping fee orders, and other situations. Let me show you around. After you download the income report from the Seller Center, copy the entire report into the Income Report tab in the template. The template will automatically extract the data, perform all calculations, and list out all order IDs that require your attention. This is the main list. It lists out all the order details extracted from the income report and performs the calculations. On top is the date filter, where you can input dates to filter the list below. You can also use the drop-down list to choose a date range or input day count to filter. Use this field to set date type to filter and this field to filter for specific courier. The blue section is where the order IDs are listed for your attention. The first column is the order IDs with overcharged shipping fee. Second column is undercharged shipping fee. Third is when seller bear the shipping fee for the customer. And lastly, when the shipping fee is higher than seller subsidy and Shopee subsidy combined. You can hover over the column headers in the main list to read the description for each situation. Over to the right is the overcharged shipping fee section. Here, you can see how many orders are handled by each courier company and how many orders are being overcharged by them. Use this drop-down list to switch to display all couriers or only couriers that handle your parcels. Below we have two lists. The list on the left is order IDs and the amount of overcharged shipping fee that has been claimed back from Shopee. This data is automatically extracted from the adjustment report. Check out the previous update video log for more details on this. The list on the right is a manual list, where you can input order IDs to let the template exclude from the calculations. Let's say you missed the date of overcharged claim window, and Shopee refused your claim. You can input that order ID here, so the order ID will not appear on the list. A side note, If you are curious how do I make the input tip on this list and it moves downward when I input order IDs, check out my other video. I have video demonstrating how to make these Excel tricks. Scroll to the right. This orange section is the information related to claiming the overcharged shipping fee. These are the claim windows for each logistic. Make sure you check your order details frequently to never miss out on these durations. If you want to read the official article of overcharged shipping fee, click on this link at the top left of the table. Below are the links to some useful information when you want to initiate the claim process. Read more about overcharged shipping fee claim process with this link to the official article on Shopee Seller Education Hub. These grey columns are all helper columns to make this module possible. I would suggest sellers to check on the shipping fee on a weekly basis. I have a video dedicated to explain how to use this template weekly, checking the shipping fees and tracing the payout from Shopee. Overcharged shipping fee is a big issue, especially for new sellers that do not understand the mechanism behind. Believe me when I say, Shopee do not want to charge you more than what you have agreed. As for the implementation of the claim window, to me, it is the seller's obligation to know the situations of all their orders at all times. If you are an established seller, you may be using a full-fledged system to manage your orders, and I hope that system tells you about all you need to know. If your shops are not able to afford a capable system, I hope my free Excel template can help you in any way possible.
Nice.
Enough of the shipping fee shenanigans. Watch this video again if you are still confused, or drop your questions in the comment section. Now, updates for gross profit and cost calculator are only available in advanced version. From now on, you don't have to input costs for products in both modules. When you input costs in one module, the other module will fetch the cost over and show you in gold colored text, indicating it is the data from the next door. However, these cells are actually empty. You may also input costs on top of it, and it will be shown in black color, indicating it is local data. These modules will prioritize local data over fetch data, and it is both ways, which means you can input costs in either module. Similar for the commission fee rate column. If the template found the fee rate for your SKUs and extracted from the product database, it will be shown gold in color. You can input a specific fee rate over it. Alright, that is all for today. If you want to get this template for free or learn more about the advanced version, watch the video at the top right corner. Leave a comment, or better, join my Discord server if you have any suggestions, any requests, or any questions in using the template. I will have an online session in my Discord server, so don't miss out. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and share the template to your Shopee seller friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the comment section.